Hey, I'm Dave, and today we're going to Belfast.
On purpose.
I'm at the studio. We haven't packed anything. Dan and Reggie literally have just walked in 2 minutes ago. No, less, 30 seconds ago. So they've just arrived, and we're going to start loading here in a couple of minutes once Reggie does some hardware stuff. Yeah, okay. Right, goodbye. So Reggie is packing up more drum hardware, and we've got the full drum kit behind me here because we have to bring our own drum kit as well, which isn't too common for these types of gigs, but
It happens.
that's rock and roll. Hey ho, Reggio!
Well, I don't know if I'm back. Is that all the drums?
We could have brought more. You told me we couldn't bring 4 guitar cabinets. I think that's us ready to go, isn't it?
Do an idiot check.
Yeah, let's go. We even do idiot checks before the gig. Dan doesn't care, as long as he's got a bass to pluck, he's happy.
Yes. I think it is.
Alright. Let's go. We're on the way to Belfast, and I am picking up Steve. Luke works fairly close to the gig, so he said just across the road. So he said he's going to walk over. Curtis is getting the bus because he lives in the other direction. We're a bit tight for time today. Change of plan. It's pouring down outside, and we're not going to make Curtis get the train in. It was a train, not a bus, in case I said bus earlier. I'm still picking up Steve, but Reggie needs to pick up Curtis, but he's got Dan in the car and he's only got one seat. So we're going to pull over and swap seats while Dan's going to swap cars. So let's see if we can pull some sort of James Bond maneuver where we don't even stop. Is your head spinning? You're being thrown around that fast, Dan?
Hello, Steve. Hey, guys.
Hello? Good to go?
Good to go.
Okay, so we got here and they're just sound checking Anvil's drum. So the rush wasn't that necessary. Get it.
We have to do the double leg.
Yes, of course we have to do the fucking double neck. There's no fucking room.
Hello, Dave fans.
Luke really doesn't like the double neck. Curtis is on the fence with it.
Alright, chaps. I'll take your kick drum when you're ready, please.
This is every drummer's favorite part of the show. It's getting boring now. This is our den. In this monitor, this is a separate mix, isn't it? Can we turn
That's correct, yeah.
guitar one down a little bit in
that one?
In that one, and then I'm happy.
Cool.
I'm happy. Curtis, happy. Good.
Everyone's fucking ecstatic, that's brilliant.
Perfect.
Nobody cares if the drummer's happy.
So Reggie, what do you think? For the first time in your life, you're going to be at the front of the stage?
I preferred it at the back.
Oh, on the side of it, but you're going to have a decent view.
At least I'll get some decent photos this time, hopefully.
But are you going to take a photo of the audience?
No, I mean, if there's somebody taking photos,
Oh,
they'll actually get a photo of me this time.
No, that's not the reason they're not photoing you, Reggie. So we're all set up, and we've got about an hour to wait. Where's everyone else going? So things are getting real.
I know you.
Yeah, there's the
Guy from that band. What's crack? Oh,
Waylander.
Jesus. Waylander. Well, it's crack.
There's the main attraction now. Go and look at our merch stand.
Ralphie has arrived. Am I on the merch stand? No way. Right. Oh, for fuck's sake. So it's going. I put that there just for you.
What time is it? We've got about 35 minutes before we are meant to start our set. And it's starting to fill up. There's a decent enough crowd in. We'll get a few more, hopefully, before we start. Right, okay.
Get ready,
We're
you stick
about
it
to
on,
go
we'll walk
stage,
up.
So I'm going to give the camera to Ralph. Okay, we've just finished and it was a great show and we're gonna have to really quickly get our stuff out of the way. So Ralph's here hawking the Rule of 6 merch. What have you sold so far?
Hip blast.
We sold a hip blast,
Couple of lighters.
a couple of lighters and 2 radiator keys. So yeah, it was a good show. We're just waiting for Anvil now.
That was great. How many came for rule of 6?
Well then.
Rule of 6.
I'm gonna go on. I need to go back in.
I forgot you got work.
I need to go and
Good work, man.
Luke's going back to work.
Look. Good job.
Good job.
Did you wear this on stage?
No. There's videos on that.
It
There's video
wouldn't,
proof.
it wouldn't surprise me. Wait a second, this is what you work? This is what you wear to work in a law firm?
What I wore to work today.
I was so intensely watching Luke's solo, I forgot mine.
Some guy came up to me after and he was like, I thought he was going to come up and say something
Nice.
nice about my playing or something. And he came up and he went, man, your guitar. And I was like, here it comes. And he went, your actual guitar is very sexy. And I was like, oh. I was like, oh, I know.
You're like,
I don't need someone to reinforce that.
you were like, well, it was my decision to buy it.
And he was like, oh, it was just so gorgeous up there. And I was like, oh, thanks.
I bought it on.
And then that was it. I was like, and?
Is this like when someone compliments you on how hot your girlfriend is?
Or how hot your man? You're like,
You're like,
I suppose I am her son. Like, so.
no, you were just like, it's mine. It's your own guitar. Bye-bye, Luke. You performed sufficiently.
I'm in the right place at the right time because I get to introduce a great rock and roll band.
Steve Ball.
Where is he?
Ralph's actually leaving now.
Say it.
Yeah. Goodbye, Ralph. It's time to head towards our equipment. In a minute, we're going to start bringing stuff down onto the floor there. Like, I don't know what door we're going out.
Surely once these people clear out here, we can play that. What are we doing? Talking about people? Look at that fucking weirdo over there. Oh wait, that's Steve.
That fucking weirdo.
Why? Why me?
It's just gonna keep an eye on you to see if you play it solo. Just for the record, if you haven't heard, Curtis forgot to play his solo in one of the songs.
It's alright, nobody noticed. Apparently.
Fine.
I mean, upon watching back the footage, it was very noticeable.
Bring it on, bitches.
No, I feel bad. Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
I can forgive you about the solo, Curtis,
But I can't forgive myself.
but I can't forget it.
Yeah. It's fine.
I will forgive you, but I won't forget it
Yes, I know.
because I have it recorded.
Yes.
I thought the crowd were very generous with us.
Yeah.
It's that classic metal, you know?
Uh-huh.
It was a bigger crowd than last time with Satan. But I do think the Satan crowd, you know, liked us a bit more. But as you said, Steve, there was a few people singing along to our songs.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Good gig. Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Alright, Steve, man.
Goodbye, Steve.
Bye.
Alright, fuck me. 20 minutes to midnight. We're sitting here in a kebab shop.
As you do.
This is rock and roll. And we've still got to unpack the both cars. But we're hungry. Yeah, the clock just struck midnight and we've got our food. So we're heading back to the studio to eat it. Then we're gonna have to be full while we unload the truck and car, so yeah. Not looking forward to that bit. Okay, it is. In 20 minutes it will be 1 in the morning. And it's remember it's a Tuesday night, so technically Wednesday morning, so everyone has work in the morning.
I don't.
But it's been a good night. What did you guys think of the gig?
Excellent. Brilliant. It's a great crowd.
It was worth doing. So, see you next time.